What's up, guys? Out hunting the creeks today. Just got here where I usually park at. Looking at some of the names here. Looking at all the tracks. Vehicles came through here, and I looked down. I saw this white piece of material, and then something else caught my eye. I think I've got a drill. Oh yeah. Yep. I would say that's an Addison drill, if I had to guess. Wow. That's a nice piece, man. I ain't been here 5 minutes. I think it's sheared off there. Boy, let's put in some work in its day. All right, y'all. If I find anything else, I'll get back with you. I searched that rock bar over there for a while. Then I drove the truck across. So over here searching around. It's a huge rock bar. But I think I got one sticking out here. Oh yeah. Huh. I wonder what kind of material that is. There's always four-wheelers and stuff riding through here. Side by sides. I've searched this a few times. It's a nice piece. If I find anything else, I'll get back with you. What's up, guys? I'm back with you again. Just walking this little ledge right through here, checking this bank. Seen that big old rock right there, and sitting here looking around, and I'm pretty sure that is a Bottleneck Benton. Wow. That's an old one right there, boys. I think that's a Bottleneck Benton. Anybody knows in the comments, let me know. Looks like a bottleneck. Hell yeah. All right, y'all. I'm going to keep searching this little thing through here and see what else we can find. We'll get back at you in a little bit. Hopefully, if we find anything else. I've been here about an hour and a half so far. Sweet. Hey guys, check this out. Same bank. Not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. It's got a little pressure on it. Oh man. Oh, that sucks. Dude. What a heartbreaker. I think that would have been a pine tree though. It looks kind of like a pine tree. It's got those serrations. Dang, man. That broke my heart right there. Alright, y'all. These cars and stuff going up and down the road. I'm gonna keep at it. Y'all be cool. I wish I had my waders on. I'd go out there and get that little piece of swimming pool off the tree and out of the creek. Old tars washed down. Man, I can't stand that. Nothing bugs me worse than trash in the waterways. That bugs the shit out of me. Excuse my language, but I cannot stand that right there. Do better, people. I think I got another one here. Well, that's the little one. Man, it's purple. Come in focus. There you go. Well, some pretty material. I ain't found any of that purple yet. Some nice stuff. Well, get back at you in a little bit, hopefully. I walked up here to the edge of the fence to look at these Easter lilies, and I think I got a smoker. Some type of, looks like an oval knife or oval blade with a heck of a ding took out of the side of it. Yeah, I think that's an oval knife of some sort, oval blade. I don't know the type on it, but I've seen it on the website before. It's pretty stuff. But yeah, those Easter lilies are gorgeous. It's a beautiful spot around here. Alright, y'all, we'll get back with you if we find anything else. I'm starting to get a little tired. I've been here about 3 hours now. Y'all be good. Just picking some trash up on my way back out. Found this piece of glass. I'm gonna nap that into an arrowhead. It's like some kind of old Santa Claus deal and a pot lid, aluminum pot lid. I'm gonna get rid of this, get it out of the creek. I'm gonna make something out of that glass though. I'll post it when it's done. I was coming back up this draw, headed back to the truck. I walked around another 30-45 minutes picking up a couple pieces of trash and searching, and I think I got one right here. That's something. It looks like a bifurcated. I think that's a bifurcated point. Yeah, I think that's a bifurcated point. I don't know, we'll get a better look at it. We'll get back to the truck and do a cleanup. We're back at the truck. I need to take this thing and need to sand it and paint it. Boy, look at that. Yes, sir. But anyways, here's what I found. That old aluminum pot lid, that piece of glass, I'm on that. But I wasn't here 5 minutes and found this drill. That's a sweet find. I hadn't found a drill in a while. Still don't know what kind of material that is. Little bifurcated point there I found a while ago. This was a heartbreaker, man. Man, that was sticking out of the bank looking so pretty. I do think that was a pine tree though. It's a tip off a pine tree. Little oval or ovoid, however the hell you say that. Little ovoid knife. This little pink thing right here is cool. Got some cool little flakes on it. Flake scars. That's beautiful material. I think this one was the smoker of the day. Bottleneck Benton. It looks like a bottleneck to me. Stained up pretty good. All right, guys, that's a pretty good haul for today. We got a lot of rain, so I figured I'd come hit it up. All right, y'all. I appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.